Alright YouTube, we're back on this four-wheeler right here, and took that little pressure washer right there, and it looks a lot better. I mean, we cleaned it up. Much better than it was. That engine looks better, and the frame looks better. That toolbox looks better. I did put the battery in it too. Muffler is in good shape. The only problem I found is the end of it. Okay. Right here is just the end of it is all cruddy. So I figured I think I got a secret for that, and I'll show you when we get there. The taillight lens is broke, darn it. But I think I'm gonna go with an LED taillight or something. Not sure. This isn't a restore, this just repairs, fix. The fenders look better. Alright. Next thing I'm gonna do is see if we can get in here, repair that and that on that front bar. And what I'm going to use for that is the portable welder. You guys remember that? The old portable welder. Alright. Alright, yep, the portable welder. I'm going to use that. The back brake cable is really easy to find. The reverse cable is really easy to find. We got the front brake cable ordered. Thank you, Harvey Spooner. Alright. Next, I'll be right back. I'm going to put some gas in it. Just for curiosity, I'm going to put gas in it. We do have a light. Okay? With the battery in it, we do have a light. Just for curiosity, I'm going to put some gas in there. And see if we can get it, any kind of anything out of this thing. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I got gas in from there into there. I didn't fill it, I just put a little bit in there. I was wondering if we had any cranky. I haven't tried that yet. Let's see. Yeah, it turns. Okay. Let's pull the choke. Alright, well, it's been sitting a long time, so it's not surprising. Not surprising. Alright, let me fiddle with it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I figured it out. That there spark plug wire needs to be on that there spark plug, right? Anyway, let's try that. Ha 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 ha. And it revs. That means I don't have to go into the carburetor. Thumbs up. Yay. This thing was sitting in the shop suspended. And they said, the guy I got it from said, the tank was cleaned and the carb was dry. Don't know. Apparently he didn't lie to me. Well, that sounds pretty darn good, guys. Sweet. Alright. So now let's get to welding. Gotta weld that, gotta weld that. I wish they hadn't cut that out. We're gonna have to figure out something for that. Well, that thing idles like a kitten. That thing idles good. I am so impressed. I didn't get lied to though. That's good. So many times that happens, guys. I just put a battery in there from Power Deal that I had. Battery backup for a computer. AGM. Alright. The back end is a lot cleaner. Yeah, we got that a lot cleaner. I'm going to take a little bit of a wire brush and see if we can get some of that rust off there, and then see if we can hit it with some paint. As is for a lot of this stuff, you know. Well, let's get that welded, you know. I'll bring you right back. I am shocked this thing runs so good. I am shocked. Yes. Oh no. Cannot believe that. Let's see if it goes in gear though, guys. Yeah. Goes in reverse. Goes in forward. Oh yeah. Sweet. All right, guys. Looks like we got a four-wheeler. Let's weld that up. Be right back. All right, guys. The welds are rough, but they are welded. The front end is welded. Alright, that part of it anyway. There's supposed to be a bar across here. Yeah, we'll get there next, but I wanted to get that part welded so that we could carry on. Next step though is to straighten that out. See how it's slanted there, and we'll cut those off. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. But it runs good, runs epic good. Alright, we'll see you next time, guys. Part 3. Take care. Next time is part 3. And we're going to do an oil change too. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.